Hello viewers, I'm an engineer as Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel Engineer as Tips and Tricks. So my today's topic is about why cooling fan is needed for AC motors. So it's too much important you should focus on. So a cooling fan using in AC motors to dissipate the heat during the operation. Yeah. When the motor will be in working condition, so the heat will be produced there, so it will the fan will dissipate the heat, or it will get the heat out. So that's why the cooling fan is using in AC motors. So whenever someone asks you to tell about it, so you should give a quick answer. So now I'm going to explain it furthermore. So however, when AC motor operates, it generates heat due to the electrical resistance and the friction within the motor's components. If the heat will not be dissipated, it would cause to lead overheating, which could damage the motor or reducing its efficiency and the lifespan. So that's why the fans are there to protect it from the heat and the outside atmosphere as well. So cooling fans help to circulate the air around the motor. Yes, so it will circulate the air around the motor while doing that. So the motor winding will become cooled down. It always carrying away the heat and keeping the threshold temperature for operation. Yes, it is too much important that to keep the temperature levels while operating the AC motors. So these fans are useful to keep the temperature constant, or to maintain the temperature while operating the AC motors. So that's why these fans are using in AC motors. I'm hopeful that you have understood this concept. If you have liked this video, then tap on the subscribe button. Thank you so much.